Hey guys, Dr. Derry here, owner of Vision Health Services here in Jacksonville, Florida. If you want to look for physical therapy near you, how about physical therapy to you? So we're talking about physical therapists who come to your home, provide high levels of care, allow you to give you that one-on-one attention, just allow you to reach your goals in your own home. Stick with me. I want to talk about more pros and cons and if physical therapy in your home is right for you. All right, physical therapy to you. When you Google physical therapy near me, did you ever think that physical therapists can come to you? Well, yeah, most people have heard that before and they think of home health, right? Anybody who's had surgery or having a hard time and they got discharged from the hospital and they need that little help at home, that's home health. Your physical therapists come to you, they type on their computer a lot, collect a bunch of paperwork here or there for a couple of visits. And it's for people who've really kind of not in super good shape and they can't do enough to be able to leave their house to go to outpatient care. But what if the therapist that you saw in outpatient care, the one that took it up a notch, could come to your home? Well, that's exactly what I do, what many other therapists are doing in the nation and here in Jacksonville, Florida, bringing high levels of care to you in your home. And so if you're interested in that, Google it, mobile physical therapist near me, right? Or physical therapy in your home. Just take a look at that. My name is Michael Derry. I'm a doctor of physical therapy in Jacksonville, Florida. There are other people doing similar things in Jacksonville, Florida, and they have different disciplines. I specialize in low back pain. There's geriatric therapists that come to your house, right? So if you don't feel like leaving and you want to do the care in your home, you can have those individuals come to your house. Women's health, pediatrics, pre and postpartum, like all of this stuff that you can get in your home that allows you to do it with high level care, high levels of convenience, no driving, right? We all hate driving. The traffic here in Jacksonville can be a pain at times. Allow them to come to you, provide high levels of care, really, really intimate, building that good relationship. But don't get it confused with not doing as much work, right? You don't have to be in a gym with a bunch of equipment to get some work done. I bring the table, I bring the bands, I bring the weights, I bring the things that are going to challenge you enough to get you better, but in the convenience of your home. Trust me, you have enough room. No, I don't care if you have a bunch of dogs or kids running around. I love it when I get a whole little ones or hang out with little ones while I'm doing this. I make you work. I make you better, and I do it by removing barriers, right? Take the time away from it. You're going to save commute time there and back. It's the same insurance coverage that you may be getting in an outpatient clinic. It is outpatient care in your home, okay? Is it more expensive? Well, it depends on the pricing structure and what's going on. I can tell you, you get one-on-one attention from the physical therapist. I'm not going to be sitting there typing on their computer the whole time. No other distractions, no other patients. It's only you and them to reach the goals faster than maybe that you would have in the clinic. So you're saving time with the commute, you're saving time for your plan of care. And so it is definitely cheaper in the long run, right? But you need to recognize the value in that moment. So physical therapists near you, how about physical therapists to you? So the high level care is coming to you in your home to provide that level of service that you have not gotten anywhere, that level of attention. Guys, this is where we started with medicine, right? Doctors used to come to your home. The doctors of physical therapy are going to help you reach the goals that you need to reach, that you want to reach, be able to do things in your life that you haven't done in a while, and be able to just remove those barriers, give you that confidence and reduce fear. And if something weird is going on, we still refer out. We still don't necessarily like have to treat you, right? So we always provide you options. You get us for that time. Take advantage of it. This is just an untapped territory. And so what I do with patients is I go to their home, I bring their table, we do an awesome examination, then we figure out a plan that works for your life, right? That's where things go wrong. Everybody knows they need to exercise. Everybody knows they need to eat better. But how do we develop a plan that actually fits in your life? Because I can see you in your life. I can see you in your element, in your environment, and know how you interact in that environment, help you remove those barriers and help you find ways to do things. It's hard. It's not a hard sell, right? It's very easy. Go ahead and check out in the description too. I'll post my website, but I'll also post some other people that I work with in the area, and a website that you can actually look at like different therapists in the area that maybe are doing what you're doing. And if you have any questions, just reach out. I'm a big advocate for right people, right provider at the right time. And so I've referred out many times. If they're not a good match, then I refer out. I want to make sure people get the best care possible. Little caveat, little side story is that when I treat people in their home and I feel like something's going on, right, I'll get on the phone right then to their doctor and have the patient there, help with that message, just make sure that they're taken care of. there hasn't been a single patient that hasn't enjoyed the in-home experience. The biggest barrier that I see is people are just can be a little bit reserved about showing the status of their home, or maybe it's not as clean as they would like, or it's a little chaotic. That's life, guys. Like, this is life. Life is not clean, not chaotic. And so don't be ashamed. Don't be reserved from that. We don't care at all. We want to see you. We want to take care of you and your family, and just make sure you can do the things you want to do. So PT near you, how about PT to you, right? Physical therapy. And that's not just limited physical therapy, right? Wellness services, exercise. And so if you ever have any reservation, just remove it. It's not there. It doesn't mean anything to us. We can meet you at your house, take care of you. I hope you found this useful. Utilize those services. They're so, so nice and important. And if it's not for you, then it's not for you, right? But just know that it's there. And so physical therapy to you and your home, high levels of service, high levels of care, exceptional experience, and at really no cost difference than anything else. So enjoy your day. As